Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad Filipino style. Start by rinsing and drying romaine, then fry garlic and anchovies lightly, toast croutons with butter, whisk dressing with egg yolk, calamansi juice, fish sauce, and parmesan, toss warm croutons with greens, add grilled chicken or tuyo flakes for Filipino flair, and finish with cracked pepper and extra cheese for brightness. Serve immediately so textures stay crisp. Gather all ingredients before starting to keep prep smooth and efficient. Measure egg yolk, parmesan, oil, calamansi or lemon, and a splash of fish sauce to balance flavors. Crisp garlic and anchovy add savory backbone, while toasted croutons bring texture contrast. If using chicken, marinate briefly with soy and calamansi for Filipino aroma. Keep everything near your workspace to assemble the salad quickly and serve while croutons remain crunchy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth, which changed how I think about money and cooking budgets, and it pairs nicely with budget-friendly salads. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it easily. Now let's get back to the video. Prep steps make a big difference in texture and flavor, so take your time. Pat romaine dry to prevent soggy leaves and make croutons small enough to coat evenly. Fry garlic and anchovies until aromatic without burning to avoid bitterness, and whisk dressing until silky so it coats each leaf. Toss the salad gently to preserve crunch, then plate and add a final shave of cheese and freshly ground pepper for a finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.